So here is my meal prep for the week, and um, I already cooked it for 30 minutes. And if you have not used the pressure cooker before, you have to make sure that the pressure cooker nozzle is on the lock. Right there, that's the lock, and this is to release the steam. And you have to be real careful and use pot holders when you do that. But to cook it, you have to have it on that, and you cannot open it until all of the steam is released, and it's done. And I already did that because I had to test it, make sure it was good. So I was cooking it at 10 minutes at a time. It actually was done in 10 minutes, but I wanted it to be more tender and soft, so I thought put it in for another 10 minutes. So if you don't know how to use it, this is the cancel button, keep it warm, whatever. But if you make a mistake, you change your mind or whatever, you can push that button and it resets it. So earlier, before, I had it on chicken to get the highest temperature, and then I literally set it for that, and then I press this button to get it for an hour, just to get it real high because it's well done. And so this is starting to pressurize, but I don't want it to pressurize, so I'm just going to cancel it. But when I was cooking it, I put it on stew because it basically, it was already somewhat cooked, seared on both sides. So I put that, and I only had it for 10 minutes. You could also change the times there, and if you want to make a time adjustment, you could do it in minutes like that. So I cooked it for 20 minutes, and then I tested it and stirred it, and then I got super busy doing something else, so I said, that's not going to hurt to cook another 10 minutes. So I did for a total of 30 minutes. I already tasted it. It was good, and I said, let me just put it in there until I'm ready. So you want to, I can't actually, I got to move this out of the way. The cabinet's in the way. So put this over here. Sorry. All right, so cabinet's in the way. So when you lift it, of course, like I said, the steam has to be released. You turn it, you unlock it, and then you want to lift it and then put it like that, because usually this liquid is going to drip out. And you want to shake it. Give it a good shake. And then there it is. This is what it looks like. It actually started shredding. I guess I turned it too much. But it tastes delicious. It's so tender that it started shredding. There's still some chunks there. See? If you could only smell it, it's so delicious. It smells good. It tastes good. I can't wait to have it. So I've got some quinoa brown rice mix with some corn, black beans, and some roasted red peppers in there, and I'm serving a half a cup because that was what the box said. It was 150 calories for a half a cup of it cooked. And I've got some salad with some cranberry goat cheese on it, and I'm not sure. I think I'm going to do a half a cup of this, or maybe a cup. I'm not sure. That might be too much. I'm not sure. 1 cup might be too much. And this is going to be lunch and dinner for the week for me. And I do a liquid cleanse on Wednesdays and Thursdays, so I really only need 3 meals during the week for work. And then I'll have extras left over for Saturday if I still want that. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Look at that. I better stop stirring it because then it's going to keep shredding, and I don't really want all of it shredded. So let's see what a half a cup is. Half a cup. Well, that's a hefty half a cup. That's a half a cup. That should be plenty. Let's see if I can get it in here. That's what he said. Sorry about that. I just couldn't help myself. I think half a cup should be plenty. That's plenty, plenty, plenty. Move that out of the way. Yep, half a cup's plenty. 1 whole cup is going to be way too much. So that's plenty of chicken, half a cup divided. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. And check out all of my other videos. And I'm hoping to make more videos soon. Thanks so much. Have a great day and night.